guys, so welcome to the Blocky Bits Garage. Going to do a bit of work on the T700. Rightio, Pete. What do we got in this box of goodies?
A very expensive headlight protector from our friends at Yamaha.
So,
Yeah.
tell them how much this thing cost.
What would you pay for a bit of perspex?
A4 sheet of instructions.
Yeah, and a few
And a
bolts.
few bolts.
With a little sign at the bottom saying off-road use only as well. $171. Boom.
That's crazy. Bloody crazy.
Thanks, Yamaha.
Yeah. Alright, so this video is all about installing this. And they do have these, we're back to the what do you call it?
Yeah, the scale, the
scale.
Yep, the spanner scale.
So out of 5 spanners, it's 1 spanner. So as per usual, we've got it.
We should be able to work that one out. 15 minutes, it says here as well. It should take us 15 minutes to put basically 4 screws on and a bit of plastic.
Alright.
So see how we go.
There's our scale down. Hopefully you can read that down there. And somewhere there, 15 minutes, 1 spanner. Righto, so get back around here. So what we're also going to do is we've got a little the seat. No, to get the seat off, you
Yes.
need the little Allen key.
Correct. There's two bolts to get off with the Allen key.
And someone on the comments, thanks man, it was a brilliant bloody comment. A little trick for getting it out, which we'll show you that.
Yeah, the Allen key, it's stuck in a position where it's virtually impossible to get your fingers out to get it out.
You need an Allen key to get.
Well, you need a screwdriver to get the Allen key out, but the screwdriver's in the toolkit under the seat.
Exactly, that's it. Crazy.
So one of the crew members suggested putting gaffer tape around the Allen key to make it easier to pull out, so we're going to give that a go.
Cool. What else will we? The centre stand's been running good.
Perfect. Yep. Really good. Really happy with that.
You were just giving us some prices of some of the stuff, and I just think it might be a little bit interesting before we do that.
Ridiculous prices, yeah.
Righto, Pete. So we know 171 for the Perspex bulletproof.
Yeah. You can stop a leopard tank in its tracks.
That's
that
it.
thing. So that's all good. Can take the full blast of any sort of shell coming out of the military at me. So this the T7 rear carrier.
Yep.
So just these bars here, not the top box, just the carrier bars. $431.37. Going cheap. The headlock guard, the top case was nearly $600, $598.
Yeah, it's a lot of money. It's a really nice, the way this whole system. Can you open that up again, or does it need the key?
Might need the key, yeah. And also there's a little...
We've got good little things for tie downs all the way around everywhere.
So this key is the same as the ignition key, but that even costs you as well. It's $42 for it to be keyed alike. So you've got to even pay another $42 in addition to the, what was it, the bloody $600
Yeah.
to have the key fit this. But, you know, it's all painful, but really happy with it. So, like I say, you can put your helmet sideways in there. It fits in there.
Yep. Oh. Still got the new smell.
Made in Italy.
Oh, is it really? Oh, there you go. Well, there you go. Boom. Made in Italy, and it's got a Yamaha stamp on it.
Yeah.
That's where all the cost is. Cool.
What else?
Centre stand.
Don't have that with me, but that was, I don't know, $400 and something.
Yep. For the centre stand.
Yep. The lowered seat was $277.
Which I think's not too. When we're talking about a seat.
Yep.
Yeah. I reckon that's not too bad.
And the lowering link that I haven't installed on this bike, but the lowering link kit, $161. And they're basically just 2 simple dog bone type brackets, really.
Yeah.
There's not much to them at all.
Yeah.
But hey, Yamaha.
That's it. Cool. All right, let's get stuck into installing the magic shield. Rightio guys, so me and Peter have gone through this, worked out what we need. So screwdriver, flathead, 14mm spanner, a what size?
4mm Allen
4mm Allen key.
Yep.
So what we've got here are these bolts that are going to go in where the, and I'll just pan you around. We're going, oh shit, hang on. We're going to remove these out.
Yep, there's just 2 on each side.
Yep. These are going to go in their place, which on the other side has that, which has got a thread in it, which is then going to have
these quick release screws, just a 90-degree turn to take them in and out.
Brilliant. All right, should be bloody simple.
Yeah, and just note, I just put a 4mm on these, and these were only just nipped up. There's hardly any pressure on these screws at all. So we'll just make note of that when we're putting the other ones in, to not do them up very tight at all.
Cool, let's get into it.
Okey-doke.
So we're just saying, guys, man, could you imagine how much to replace this headlight would cost if you busted it? So even though you've paid the money for the headlight
guard, yeah.
Headlight guard, yeah. It's going to be well worth it instead of busting one of those.
Exactly. Yep.
Cool. So that's 4 out. That 15 minutes is going pretty quick, Pete.
Yeah. I think we're on the money.
That's it. Oh, left-handed.
So you can virtually, I reckon, even just do these up hand tight from what the previous screws were.
Oh, you reckon?
Yeah.
Well, we'll do it just a little bit more, won't we?
Well, yeah, I just reckon.
Yeah, you can get pretty good perch on that, can't you?
Yep. So very simple.
Can't stuff that up.
No, so there is a slotted side each side to get a spanner on there if you want, but I don't think you need a spanner on those.
So, and there was washers which we made sure we whacked on there.
Yep.
That came with it. Yeah.
There's 21 bits all up.
Righto.
Okay, now the quick release screws.
So this will be interesting. I'll get the tripod.
Yep.
Righto. I'm dubious about this being quick release because I don't know. Maybe I'm saying it wrong. So we've got to put a washer, one on that side there, or one on that side and one on the inside.
Exactly. Yep.
So when you take it off, the one on the inside, isn't that just going to... Oh, no, because it's only a quarter turn. That's why those washers are having to be spun on.
Yep.
Yeah, right. Okay, cool. We're talking about Yamaha. They know what they're bloody doing.
So you've already put one washer on there.
Yep.
And then it's just saying to pop these through there like that, and then grab another washer and I suppose just spin it on. Yeah,
and that's what's gonna. Yeah, that's because that's what I was thinking. If you were to take that off,
just hold it.
Brilliant.
Not sure. These don't feel like metal. Not sure what. Well, they're very thin anyway. Very, very thin. So yeah, that's how.
Cool. So put the rest on.
Yep.
Yeah.
Well, I reckon they're just plastic.
Plastic, yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
So that allows you to. So you have a go at putting one on. Oh, hang on. Sorry.
All right. Whoa. Jeez, they're not easy, are they?
No. Just turn them, just twist it on. It seems to be going alright.
Oh yeah, got it.
What would you say to Yamaha? Oh, fuck one of these up. Can you get me another one of those? Oh yeah, $171. Thanks, mate.
Yeah, sorry, we don't have spare parts. You got to buy a whole brand new one.
Yep.
Oh come on. You do it. Righto, so for this to be quick release, it's just a one-man job, isn't it?
Yep, so there's a washer each side that holds the screw in place.
Yep.
And
whack her on.
Okay, I'll just go this side.
Yeah, that's it, because you're actually turning the whole thing.
Yeah,
Yeah, right.
So just...
Yeah, turning the whole thing. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, simple as that.
Yeah, that's it. That's done.
So yeah, just again, be just a 90-degree turn to take it off to clean it.
Yeah.
Job done.
Yeah, because you're not going to be, oh, dirt road, I'll put it back on, and then, oh, we're going on a bit of sealed road, better take it off.
Exactly, yeah. No, so just ease of cleaning it and cleaning the headlight, yep, so just straight off, but that's as simple as it is.
Done.
Happy days.
So there you go, guys, that's installing the Yamaha T700
super expensive, bulletproof
light shield.
headlight
protector,
headlight
whatever you bloody want to call it. All right, so let's.
Oh yeah, the gaffer tape. Yeah.
The gaffer tape with the. Let's do it. Righto, guys. So this part of the video is us doing that little fix for the Allen key. So we've got to use the key as we've done before. I think we've shown that before.
Yep. Take this rear section out.
Wiggle, wiggle. There it is. There. All right.
The offending Allen key right there.
Cool. So I'm going to come round.
Yep.
So I want you to try as your hardest to get that out, because you're on the side of the road. You don't have stuff in your pocket.
So you're sort of trying to get a finger under here, but
it's digging in the other end, isn't it? That's just crazy.
Oh yeah.
You got it. Oh, there you go. So you can do it.
There is a technique, but it can be a bloody hassle. So it clicks in fairly tight.
Yep.
But
all right, well, hang on. What we're going to do before you pull that out, if you go get, you brought your marker actually, grab your marker, because we don't want to put this mark on that side there, where that clips in, because we don't want to have the tape where it clips in. Cool. All right, now hurt your finger getting it back out again.
I think the trick is trying to get it up a little bit and wriggle it out. Yeah.
There you go. Yeah. So it is. You can do it.
Yeah.
But it's just silly. I mean, they could have made that a bit easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right. Yeah. So there's our mark. Got some of this. So we want about there. In the middle. Is that not too? We've got a rough edge there. Is the Tenere going to be all right with that?
Coat. See how we go.
Right. Rightio, Tenere 700 mod. Let's see if this works.
So she's in.
She's in.
Locked in.
That
works fine.
Maybe we'll make it a little bit bigger.
Yep.
Cool. Prototype number 2.
Let's go.
Rightio. Extended version.
Mark 2. Going in. She's clicked in.
Beautiful.
And here's the big test. How easy is that? Hey.
Now, that's at the cost of a bit of extra weight, but...
Yes, yep. Look, the weight gain, I think it's worth it.
Yeah.
But thanks so much to the crew member who thought of that. Great idea.
Yeah.
We tried to get his name and couldn't get it, but anyway, big thank you to whoever it was.
Yeah, brilliant.
Thank you.
Rightio, guys. Pete's nearly ready to... He's got to get back to Melbourne, so that's it. That's the video, doing all that. That was pretty easy.
Yeah, it was great.
Dog
really
shit
good.
easy.
Yep.
That's the saying, dog shit easy?
Dog shit. Well,
I don't know.
we'll run with that.
Excellent. Righto, guys. Keep on riding. And if you ain't riding, keep on keeping on.
See ya.